This is a one-bed, one-bath located at 1825 Summerhill Place. Starting at the entrance, there is a walk-in closet on the immediate right. On the left, there is a closet with a bifolding door. Throughout this suite, there is hard surface, luxury vinyl plank wood flooring and light neutral tone walls. Directly ahead of the entrance, there is an intersection that leads leftwards and straight. Straight ahead is the kitchen and living room. On the immediate right is the kitchen. The L-shaped kitchen includes a stainless steel fridge, sink, over-the-range microwave, dishwasher, laminate countertop, as well as an oven and stove top. There is ample storage space in the white upper and lower cabinetry. The kitchen flows into the living room in an open concept layout. On the back wall there is a large glass window with blinds in the doorway on the left that leads onto a balcony. To the left of the kitchen and living room, there is a hallway that leads to the bathroom and bedroom. Along the left side of the hallway, there is a closet with bifolding doors. Straight ahead is the bathroom. The bathroom includes a vanity, toilet, shower and bathtub. The vanity features 2 drawers and 3 cupboards below a laminate countertop with a sink, mirror and lighting. Rightwards of the bathroom is the bedroom. The bedroom features a large glass window with blinds on the back wall and a closet with double bifolding doors on the left.